Spring is the only season when we can enjoy the wild chive. This wild chive has a very strong flavor. The wild chive is good for making wild chive kimchi. It's almost like a salad. Or sometimes we put this wild chive into soybean paste soup. This gives great flavor and note to any kind of soups. This wild chive is from my mom's farm. My mom get this wild chive from a wild field. So this is 100% organic and 100% wild. Today I'm going to make a wild chive kimchi. This is very easy and very simple, but it's very healthy and it's really good for good appetite during the spring season. One thing you have to remember when you make the wild chive kimchi is to have a minimum sauces. The reason why we enjoy this wild chive is because we want to enjoy the real intrinsic flavor and taste of a wild chive. First step is to cut this wild chive into pieces like this. To make a rough chop like this as you like. And pour in a bowl. Now it's time for sauce. Sauce is very simple too. So actually when you make a fresh kimchi like this is kind of imitation kimchi. So whenever you try to make Korean style fresh kimchi, you need to remember the real taste of the kimchi. If we name the tastes and flavor of the kimchi, we would say like kimchi is sour and kimchi is spicy. Sometimes it's a little sweet and it's umami and maybe it's a little salty. So for sourness today, I'm going to add vinegar. So I'm going to pour 1 and 2 spoons of vinegar first. And then to give spiciness, I'm going to pour just 1 and half a spoon of red pepper powder. I'm going to pour just 1 spoon of soy sauce. Plus, to make it like a Korean food, I'm going to add just around 1 spoon of sesame oil. Now it's done. Just mix with the 2 spoons. Toss like a salad. Mix evenly. Just like this. Until you can find any kind of lumps of red pepper powder. And it's just simply done. Yeah, this is kind of kimchi. Some people may think that this is not kimchi because it's not a cabbage kimchi, but we say any kind of the vegetable dishes with red pepper powder or some savory sauces, we call it kimchi. As you can imagine, so in Korean cuisine we have more than 200 kinds of kimchi. So any kind of vegetables will do with the kimchi. So this is done. Now you can finalize with a little toasted sesame seeds. And that's it. Even if you are a beginner of Korean cooking, you can make this. This is very simple. Okay, it is now time for plating. Put this wild chive kimchi on your favorite dish. This is my favorite dish. Put it so that it can be gently settled.